What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program, looking at the market from this week. For most of the week, we just saw like slow and choppy movement to the upside. But once we got to Friday, that's when the jets turned on and the stock market really started to run in a crazy way. So it was definitely a pretty exciting week towards the end. So with that being said, let's get right into the recap. We'll start off with the swing plays. To be honest, there aren't really too many major updates with this right now. There was an AMD put play, but Tom just cut that one pretty quickly for break even, so nothing too crazy there. What is pretty exciting though is I have this Rivian play from the other week. It's a Rivian call play where we're actually following the smart money in like a $1.2 million trade. Rivian's been doing great so far, and I'm pretty excited with this one going forward. It's still very oversold in the grand scheme of things. And, when you're following smart money, especially when they're dumping, $1.2 million into a play, it's definitely nothing to ignore. So I'm pretty excited for that one. But to be honest, those are really the only two main updates with the swing plays. As new plays either get opened or old plays get closed, we will definitely have more updates. Now, getting into the bot plays for the week, it was pretty good. I'll say it was pretty good. Monday's play popped for around 19%, so that's great. Tuesday's play popped for 36.7%. Wednesday's play popped for 50.7%. Thursday's play popped for 73.9%, and then Friday's play was a complete dud, and that barely popped at all. So overall, pretty good week. You could say 4 out of 5 solid plays. 2 out of those 5 plays popped for over 50%. And then the top play, like I said, popped for 73.9%. So pretty good overall. I'm definitely happy with that. And, the market's definitely exciting. It's definitely heating up, The movement we saw on Friday, it was nothing to ignore. And the market's getting pretty exciting. And then last but not least, we have the premium selling plays. If you do not short put options already, I very strongly recommend it. It is the best strategy out there. If you have any questions on selling put options, feel free to tag Tom, Hunter, or myself in the chat, and we'll definitely help you out. Besides that, have an amazing weekend.